that is a push or a pull. So today we are going to discuss about what are the effect of force, what changes force can occur whenever we are going to apply it on any objects. As a push or pull, or we can say that force is a physical quantity, that means it can be measured, which resulting the change in the speed, state, direction and the dimension of the object. Because of the force, there is a change in the speed of the object, state of the object, direction of the object and dimension of the object. So do you know what happens after applying the force on any object? जब भी आप किसी भी ऑब्जेक्ट के ऊपर फोर्स लगाते हैं तो what would happen? That means what the change will occur. That force can change the state of the object. Whether the object is in the state of motion, it will come to in the state of rest, and if the object is in the state of rest, it will come in the state of motion. If this car is in the state of rest, but when you are going to apply the force, then the object will start moving. That means rest is going to convert into motion, and the motion can be converted into rest by the usage of force, the effect of the force. Do you know what happens after applying the force? So you get that force can change the state of the motion. An object can having the change in the state of the object, rest to motion and vice versa. Change in the state of a body. When you are going to kick the football, then you are able to change the state of that football because that was in the state of rest, but when you kick it, it will come into the state of motion. So rest is going to convert to motion by applying the force. Change in the speed. Whenever going to apply some force, we can change the speed of an moving body, and I shared one video with you in which you will have the demonstration of all the effects, and the topic will be more clear to you after watching these two videos. Okay. Change in the direction. When you hit a moving cricket ball, it changes its direction. आप करते हो ना, जब भी क्रिकेट खेलते हो, whenever the ball comes to your side, then with the help of the bat you are going to change the direction of that ball. So with the applying force you are able to do that. So this is the application of force or the effect of force by which you are able to change the direction of that object. And the force comes in notice कब force arise होती है, whenever the force as due to the interaction, whenever the two bodies are going to interact with each other. Okay, it can change the object direction. I told you, you have many more examples, and in the demonstration video I shared many examples in which you can see with the help of force we can change the object direction. The players are changing the direction of football by applying the force, and force is also able to change the shape of an object. When you are having a toothpaste, you can press it and can change the shape of that toothpaste. You can squeeze a lemon with the help of the force, or with the help of a force you can change the shape of a dough, you can change the shape of a clay also. So force can change the shape of an object, that means dimension of the objects. When you blow metal red with a hammer, then the change in the shape of that substance.